Since I originally launched my AR game Avy Ace into the App Store in January, a lot has changed. Most notably, the AR multiplayer service that I was relying on got sadly cancelled. So while I was planning to do an update anyways, I suddenly had a very real deadline, which was May the 1st, which is the day the multiplayer got shut down entirely. So yeah, talk about a motivation to finally get the update done. Today let's take a look at Avy Ace 1.2. The biggest new feature is the new survival mode. You can scan your environment, place your headquarter, and then try to survive up to 10 waves of enemy airplanes. These range from small, fast, but relatively weak enemies, all the way up to heavy boss planes. And these boss planes are really a category of their own. Instead of simple forward-facing guns, they have turrets that automatically aim either at the player or the headquarter. They also have much more health than other planes, but they are slower and less agile. So they are definitely fierce opponents, and honestly you might not be able to defeat them alone. Luckily, you can now upgrade and improve your headquarter. In total, the headquarter has 5 levels. Starting from level 3, it gets a small turret on top, which will become stronger with future upgrades. So the headquarter does not only get more health, but it also actively helps you to shoot down enemies, which becomes especially useful against these heavier types of planes that you need to fight against. There are also new planes to unlock. One of them is heavier and has more of a tank feeling, while the other one is lightweight and agile. Both can be unlocked simply by playing the game and collecting points. On top of that, I added a few new accessories and effects, like snow or strawberry explosions, money or fruit boosts, which is super fun to customize your planes. They can also be unlocked with Ace coins, which you earn by playing. Technically speaking, also a lot changed under the hood. Originally, Avy Ace was built on the Niantic Spatial SDK, but with this update I completely moved the game over to Unity's native AR foundation. This means there's no multiplayer anymore, which was cancelled anyways, but it also means the game now uses plane detection instead of meshing and no longer uses object detection, which I previously used to spawn power-ups. And the transition was honestly smoother than expected. Switching from meshing to plane detection does mean that the game gets a less detailed reconstruction of the real world, but it's also less demanding on the CPU, which very much reduces overheating, which is great for playing longer sessions. And for the purpose of Avy Ace, I think this is very much sufficient. The game mainly needs the AR environment for placing the headquarter and giving CPU-controlled airplanes useful waypoints. So in this case, plane detection is lighter, simpler, and probably even the better choice. I also removed the object detection system that was used to spawn power-ups in the past. And honestly, that was more of a design decision than a technical limitation. Looking back, it felt not really great or fun to actually use object detection to then, for example, detect a plane or a cup of coffee to then get a power-up for speed or health, let's say. That was more thinking of a technical feature that I wanted to definitely integrate into my game, rather than first of all thinking about a mechanic that would actually be fun and then kind of seeing what technical features you have to implement that mechanic, right? So it's the wrong way around, if you want to say so. So this is the new Avy Ace 1.2 update, which is already available in the App Store for iOS. And some people ask me already for Android, and this is something I definitely still have on the roadmap for later on. But in the future, I first of all want to make the game just more replayable and more fun. I want to add new game modes, for example, like an attack mode, which would be essentially a reversed survival mode where you have to attack a base. I want to add ground units, new enemy types, more upgrades, and more ways to customize your plane. And only if I feel that the game has really reached a great state and has kind of a player base already, then I'll also think about upgrading or porting it to Android, which is with Unity not that difficult, but it will still require a lot of testing to make sure it runs great on Android devices and so on and so forth. And I want to just concentrate much more on improving the game as such. And I'm very interested to know what you guys think. What would be, in your opinion, great additions for Avy Ace? And what do you think about the game in general? I'm very happy to discuss in the comments below. But until then, as always, thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.